And let's take a look at the latest map from the Avalanche Information Center. So you see here Aspen, Snowmass, and Crested Butte are in orange. That's considerable danger. And then areas in yellow, which include Silverthorne, Breckenridge, Vale, under moderate risk. Lisa, this is classic Colorado, I guess. We've got wildfire risk in the plains and around the metro, and then we've got avalanche risk in the mountains.
And it's that combination, because when we've got heavy snow and then followed by the gusty winds, that's where we're going to see some loose slabs here. So really over the next few days, we may see this increase even more. Right now, wind being one of the bigger concerns for us here in town. Hey, Allie. How's it going, girl? You're almost up. Give me a couple minutes here. We've got wind gusts upwards of around 15 to 30 miles per hour. So it is going to be pretty gusty for us here along the Front Range. It will pick up, though. Those winds this afternoon, gusts close to about 60 miles per hour. Areas we're watching closely will be south and west of Denver. That combined with some near record highs. I mean, we're talking temperatures close to 70 this afternoon. Light snow possible here in town by midweek, but the heavier snow is going to be over the western half of the state, and you'll see that here on Futurecast. All right, take a look. Clouds increasing across the state here today. We'll see by midday temps in the upper 50s, close to about 60 degrees by lunchtime, and then even warmer once we get to that afternoon high. Snow will really start to pick up in the mountains late tonight, after midnight into early Tuesday morning. We'll start to see by midnight tonight a little rain and snow developing out on the western slope, and then that gradually starting to shift farther east. So central mountains by Tuesday, we'll start to see that snow pick up. That I-70 drive will get pretty rough at times, but again, great snow, a good dose of it. In fact, we could see up to about 2 feet in spots. Eastern half of the state stays dry. Winds will pick up, and that's going to lead to, again, the higher fire danger both today and tomorrow. Today, those red flag warnings because the temperatures are so warm south and east of town. Snow continues Tuesday into Wednesday. In fact, a number of our alerts for the mountains in place until early Thursday morning. So eastern half of the state and even up and through the northern Front Range mountains and foothills, you can see portions of Jefferson County down into Douglas County. You're going to be really those areas under that red flag warning. So some gustier winds expected there. That's from 11 to 6. Then we have a fire weather watch going into effect tomorrow and some high wind concerns for the eastern plains. We'll talk more about our Tuesday alerts coming up. That does include those mountain alerts, winter storm warning there in pink, where we could get up to about 2 feet of snow by early Thursday morning. Areas we'll be watching will be closer to and then west of the Divide, Vale Pass, Rabbit Ears Pass, down over Wolf Creek Pass, picking up some of those heavier totals, and then down and through the valleys, right around about 10 to 12 inches. 70, near 70 today. We're in the mid to even upper 50s Tuesday and Wednesday. There is going to be a chance for a few showers here in town midweek. Temperature-wise, it's not that cold, Allie. Temps dropping down into the 40s to round out the week, but cold enough that at times we could see some of those showers switch over to a little bit of snow. All right.